If you have ever looked up at the night sky to see those little bright dots in the dead of night, you may have realized that no matter which direction you look, you can see hundreds of stars. If you could get off the planet, away from all light pollution, away from the atmosphere, away from the sun, you could see even more, hundreds of thousands of stars. But what are they? What are they like? And how are stars classified? Join me on this journey to answer these and more questions. Are you ready? Let's begin. Stars are luminous spheres of gas and plasma made mostly of hydrogen and helium that hold their shape due to their gravity. Stars shine by fusing the nuclei of light atoms to form heavier atoms, a process known as nuclear fusion. During this process, a large amount of energy is released, which is then expelled into space in the form of light and heat. Stars shine brighter than others depending on how much energy they radiate. Their color can vary depending on their temperature. The hottest stars are white or blue, while the coolest are orange or red. Stars are classified using the letters O, B, A, F, G, K, and M. This sequence going from the hottest, type O stars, to the coolest, type M stars. Each type of star is subdivided using a numerical digit, with 0 for the hottest stars and 9 for the coolest. In addition to this, a luminosity class is added using Roman numerals indicating the size of the star. Type M stars, also known as red dwarfs, are the most common. They have low luminosity and temperatures less than 3700 Kelvin, are red in color, and have a mass of approximately 0.45 solar masses. Type K stars are orange stars slightly cooler than the Sun, with temperatures between 3700 and 5200 Kelvin, and a mass between 0.45 and 0.8 solar masses. Type G stars, including the Sun, are yellow or yellowish-white stars, with temperatures between 5200 and 6000 Kelvin, with masses between 0.8 and 1.04 solar masses. Type F stars are white or yellowish-white in color, have temperatures between 6000 and 7500 Kelvin, and a mass between 1.04 and 1.4 solar masses. Type A stars are white or bluish-white in color, have temperatures between 7500 and 10,000 Kelvin, and a mass between 1.4 and 2.1 solar masses. Type B stars are very luminous, with temperatures between 10,000 and 33,000 Kelvin, are blue or bluish-white in color, and have between 2.1 and 16 solar masses. Type O stars are the rarest of all main sequence stars. They are the hottest and brightest, with temperatures above 33,000 Kelvin. They are blue in color and have a mass of more than 16 solar masses. As we mentioned earlier, the stars classified with the letters O, B, A, F, G, K, and M have a luminosity class in Roman numerals added. Luminosity class 1A+ is for hypergiants, class 1 for supergiants, class 2 for bright giants, class 3 for normal giants, class 4 for subgiants, and class 5 for main sequence dwarfs. Thus, The Sun is a star with spectral type G2 and luminosity class 5, a yellow dwarf star, with a surface temperature of about 5,800 Kelvin. The life of a star lasts millions of years, in which it goes through different phases of evolution. Usually, the bigger a star is, the shorter its life. But how does a star born, lives and dies? In the next video we will answer this question, so subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you like the video, consider supporting us on Patreon, where with a small donation you can see videos before anyone else, unlock exclusive content and help us continue creating free videos for everyone. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.